Guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV, and by the title guys, I'm here and I'm going to be cooking some stew fish with some ground provision. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. Let's get me to 20,000 subscribers. Yay! And we're at 90 subscribers. Remember guys, I plan on celebrating when we reach 20,000 subscribers, right? So yeah guys, remember to follow me on TikTok if you're not already following me on TikTok at Fanika LKG. Follow me on Instagram at Fanika TV and follow me on Facebook at Erica Shackelford. If me change the Facebook name, I will let you guys know if me change it. So yeah guys, stay tuned. We're gonna cook some nice Jamaican stew fish, right? And brown stew fish and some ground provision. So me I go show you what me I go look down now. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to leave a comment and also like the video guys. It helps to push the video that other people are able to see the video. Stay tuned. So yeah guys, this is what me I go use. This is my table guys, my fish cover up, my ground provisions, and me also go put some flour. I have flour out here, but this is what me I go use. I go just show you what me I go use, right? So me I go show you all of the things that me I go use. I go show you all of the things that me I go use, guys. So me have my green bananas, what me I go use. A long time I don't eat green banana. Hope is soft. Nice Portland banana. Plantains. So I'm going to boil the ripe plantain, guys. And this is yellow yam. So we have piece of yellow yam, guys. You believe me? Is a little piece of $600. Little piece of yellow yam. Okay, and me also gonna put some pumpkin as well in my food, right? So these are the things that I'm going to be cooking with the fish. So yeah guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna season up my fish now and show you guys how to season up my fish. So stay tuned, subscribe guys, subscribe. Ready? Okay, so I'm gonna show you my fish, right? Put in bowl. Right, I'm gonna prepare my fish pan. So this is the fish. This is the fish guys. So I have four fish, right? I'm gonna show you how I season it up and everything on the cutting board. So stay tuned guys. That movement took me once. Alright, so stay tuned guys. Dry them off before I season them. Too much things there. Alright guys, I want to know see my handy work, you know. So I go cut it. I have me. So this guys are my fish season. So I go put it first for my fish, right? So I go put my fish season. this stuff. Jesus. I'm not sure some cheeses from this baby. Okay guys, so we are well seasoned up with fish, well seasoned up. And the fish are grown fish guys, grown fish. Nice fried fish. But I think a freshwater fish. Mommy, a freshwater fish this done. Carrot. Okay guys, so put the season inside. Marinate.
It's a sweet pepper this?
Eh?
Or the big red one, the pepper.
Yeah, sweet pepper. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put some jerk season upon it now. So I have some nice Jamaican jerk season. But I'm gonna put upon it too. You know, just to bring up the flavor of the fish, you know. You know, so Jamaicans we are flavorful people, full of flavor. We'll get some of them cooking good, see. Alright guys, so that is it. So that is it guys. Fish well seasoned up. Yeah. So yeah guys, you know say we use coal, you know, to cook with dishes. That's why we food so nice. So yeah, so when you come to Jamaica and you wonder why Jamaican food so nice, how we use coal. Take up some fine coal. Cool setup. I know that. I wonder if you can eat it. Because I tell the lady how the pepper they nearly kill me off. And he said, no, you should have used two.
Me too.
Come on back that June.
The fire catch and everything. Yeah, you gotta take your time. A brew. The catch now, guys. We are gonna fry the chicken. We're gonna fry the fish. So you Sophia fried chicken. We're gonna fry the fish, guys. So stay tuned. I'm also have coconut milk too, guys. We never show you that, but you know soon say. So stay tuned.
half.
I'm not perfect with it, guys. I'm a big chef. Guys, I put in the oil in the pot. Let it go on hot.
Oh, I didn't already.
Throw more on.
Alright guys, so it smells like my eye hot. So me I go get my fish. It look like for two eye fish I go can't hold. So I get one of them in. You see? Well guys, only two can hold right now. So I cover it up. Guys, I'm gonna turn my fish. Turn my fish then. Hey guys, so that's turned. Hey guys, so I'm just turn them here. Just turn the fish and everything. Them are fried. They have one nice little brown color. So yeah, so I'll give that one about 10 minutes on the side or 5 minutes and just fry the other two. I don't try that. I don't want no raw fish because we not eat no sushi. So I go put in the season here when I cut up. I'm putting sauce in, guys. Season them a saute. Smelling so nice, guys. Really, really good. Never put some coconut milk in it, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the coconut milk, mix it around. So when this start cook, when it start boil up, guys, I'm gonna put back the fish in it. So stay tuned, guys. Make it boil up. Smelling really nice. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add in the fish now. You know, the coconut milk and the seasoning. Boil up. That's all I'm trying it. I have a spoon out here. I'll cover it up, guys. And make it go and go down and cook. I put that make it look so white. So yeah guys, my fish don't cook and everything. I soon show you when I share the food, I will show the fish. It come out very nice and it smells good. I wish you could have smelled it. So I will put the food pot there. Fill it with some water. Put water in there, guys. And then there go. I go make the flour. I'm going to keep on there. Let me flour, peel everything first. There guys, so come. I go make my flour, peel my pumpkin. Me now go take off the skin off of the pumpkin, guys. Me just go wash it. The only thing I have to peel are the yam and the bananas. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how country girl cook some nice authentic Jamaican food, guys. That's really good for your body, keeps you strong and looking beautiful. Yum. So dirty. Sit down, first my foot. Japan, carry back one of base them come. Just one of them alone, please. You look at I know just me say just one of them. Care about that one. This 50 pieces of yeah. I'll peel them and wash them out before I cook it. One time I buy yellow yam, guys, and when my dad went in the hospital, I made him to say, then put me for one specific diet. Oh yeah, specific diet. I didn't know if you eat nothing with too much salt. You see? Stick to like a non-salt diet. Let's say Irish and yellow yam that kill me, guys. A pea Irish and yellow yam people didn't give me. No rice. As we come out of the hospital, so I start eating back rice. But when I go to the hospital, I don't feel back. The pain I need to feel again. And then time. Now. Reload. put some salt in my water. Also some yellow yam in there now, guys. I'm gonna need my flour. I'm gonna set up and need my flour now. So let's look about the flour now. Yeah, we are look about the flour now. Oh my god. Guys, where's the trouble? We are put in the banana last, guys, because banana easy cook. Don't take no time to cook banana. I'm going to leave the flour out. Open. No open wide, you know, guys, but just in case the flour spoil. Flour, water, pour liquid. Let's start with liquid first, guys, and then I forgot to say, I would table this whenever I can, see. I need no more water, man. So I just go and kneading with everything. Water boil up, guys. I'm gonna put the dumpling. Okay. So dumpling. I'm gonna put the dumpling in there now, guys. Like they start boil up. So like that. Just make it okay, guys. So I'm gonna make my dumpling. Boil up. I'm gonna put salt in the water. So that's why I'm gonna put them in my flour. The dumpling. I forgot to put caramel in my dumpling. And I put like one little bit of caramel, guys. So yeah, I never carry out everything. So if you want, you can put caramel in your dumpling. Me, forgot to put mine. There, guys. Okay, to make nice, cute little dumplings. Yeah. Everything about me is small and cute. Yeah. So I make my dumpling them, guys. So they're small and tight. Yeah. I go put little oil in the pot, guys, cause too. I go add in the banana. That's the banana no change color. But this is not too. Hey guys, so we put in the dumpling. I go wash off the pumpkin and the plant and get them in because show me now the coffee skin off of them already. Cover up the pot. Guys, so I have my banana. The plant and wash them off. I'm going to put them out on the skin. Put them in my pot. This is the show now I do. So start this up. Draw one line. Nice. Put on the part here. And cut in a two. Same with the other one, guys. That's how we do. 2 weeks. You know. When I cook it out of the skin, it will soft. And I like when it will soft, guys. The killer is the mastermind of one and the same person. He's worth $100 million. Any questions? Yes. Now I'm going to look for the pumpkin now. I like the kitchen space because it's too small. So. Now I go cook it with like pumpkin. I want my mother alone eat pumpkin. My son may eat it too, but sometimes. So put over there so I can cook some pumpkin rice. Two nice cut. Then we go cut the we go peel the banana them now. Banana them are going last cause two banana soft. I put in the banana them last guys. Just press it, I put that banana them and then soft. That's it, that you write banana. Let me start my banana. First me guys. That's everything. Cook. That pretty pumpkin banana. Yeah, really country cooking guys. Me go cut up, me go cover it fat. And then go cut up my banana then now. Peel the banana then guys. We go peel the banana then. We no peel the plantain, but we peel the banana. I wonder if I can swing it. Hello. We don't do it so perfect so. I don't want that them banana skin on my table. Oh, as we said guys, now go put some oil. That's my banana then I change color. If you don't want your banana then to black, put some oil in there, some lime juice or so. I catch my clothes. I'm gonna able to spoil up my little outfits. Yeah, the banana, they don't want, I can't want to go in the fire. Carrying it big. Carrying it program. Guys, my pot look full up. Alright guys, pot full. Now put no more in them, just something. Sure. Cover it up. So stay tuned. When it finished guys, I'm gonna show you my plate. So stay tuned. Cover it up.
want to see the pot, how in the look.
Eh?
Want to see all the knife pot look.
You never put no hope need.
Eh?
Where you hope need make Drake and the pot now boil up.
I can see. You say I see it later.
I come like the pot is one here one. Pick out the food then you know no water.
Of course, they in the water. I just threw it. They in the water, Sophia.
We never tell her put more coal in the stove.
Is there more coal in there?
You don't look so.
They put coal in there.
Wait, as my guys can see,
What I can see?
no in black fruits. They go.
You know what? Oh, you know something you say, right?
Yeah.
Right, guys, so my food done, pottery and my plate them, guys. I go share out the food now, share out my family dinner, so stay tuned. Guys, so I go start the sharing. Goodness. Share the food. Thank you so much, guys. That's why I see my cookie. We have the skin, guys. That's why I see my cookie. And the skin, because you know what I say? It have see how this all got my cookie in there? Skin. It have this one. This I even know. Say one piece of this. This one, don't you see? There's something I do. I think like it would be easier for me. And if you know what I'm going to dumpling. Put this one down. Yeah, no spoon. Yeah. Say a banana. You want banana?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's full. I'm share my one now, guys. I want more than one. Come. One piece. One piece of that, guys. You know. Back eye. I just gave you food, so nobody go. Yes, I said nobody go. You know, really name gravy. But you just spoon on your fork inside.
Spoon.
Inside, do it inside. How's it feel now? A fish, I want them must keep us a fish. Keep us in the fish. I said, I want them must keep us in the fish. You can see, yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you my food. My food here. My food. My fish. My yam. And something there. So guys, I'm going to try to see if I can get one video with me and eat. Even though my battery dead. I don't know why I always make my phone battery dead. Anytime I do video, it dead. Okay guys, see my food here. Pretty. Yeah guys. Nice Jamaican food. Fish, nice, everything ready. So I'm gonna eat my dinner now. So stay tuned guys. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye. Food, fish. Come like when I cook, I don't have the vibe to eat the food. Fish man. So that one, I will eat to stem the egg. Banana soft. I know Portland banana. So if I put that banana, that muscle up. It tastes bad though, but you cook just right. I want it soft. I use some banana and softer. It tastes piece of yam. Let's see, moment of fruit. Yum guys, it's soft. You coming? I just open it tight. Should I go buy one Pepsi? I'm gonna buy one Pepsi, you know. You told me there. Yum nice though. Remember? Yum nice. I like it. I'm in the yum. Put the yum.
put in the put in last.
But it one I something them put in like. But I think yam. Yam gummy. I heard yellow yam nice.
Yeah, may I put in a soup. When you get the good one.
It's nice, mom. Yeah. All right, guys.